Hello guys, this is Sharat and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you that how to make your teeth whiter. Having a white teeth is a sign of good health and personal hygiene and is also essential for a lovely smile. Your teeth aren't white as you would like them to be. There are some things you can try at home for a whiter smile. It can help you whiten your teeth and they won't cost you a fortune. So today I am going over 5 tips that you can make your teeth whiten at your home. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Use a whitening gel. Find an ADA approved gel to use on your teeth and read the instructions to understand the process of using the whitening gel. And brush the gel onto your teeth with a small brush like you would do always for at least 2 minutes. Then spit out the remaining gel and rinse out your mouth until the gel is fully gone. Do this at least 2 weeks to get the best results. Then your teeth will become whiter. The tip number 2 is use a whitening toothpaste. Use the toothpaste just as you would use any other toothpastes. Brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes and then rinse your mouth. And you have to brush your teeth at least 2 times a day. And I am using this Glodent toothpaste over 2 weeks and I got amazing result. And because this toothpaste is for whitening your teeth, and this you can find this toothpaste on any local store in India. It will cost you about only 140 rupees or like that. The tip number 3 is whitening your teeth with baking soda. Take 2 spoons of baking soda and put it in a bowl and mix it with a cup of water. After mixing the baking soda, wet your toothbrush and dip it into baking soda. Brush your teeth at least 2 minutes. Use gentle pressure to brush your teeth. Use mouthwash after will help you to remove the bad taste of baking soda. Use this method once or twice a week to get the best result. If this didn't help you, try mixing up with lemon juice or lime and mix it up with baking soda and brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, and this will gonna improve the power of the baking soda and it will give you a whiter teeth. Like, use it at least once or twice a week. Tip number 4 is if you're smoking cigarettes or using any tobacco products, please avoid it. It will gonna make your teeth look red or yellowish because it is a toxic, so this won't help you to whiten your teeth. So you have to control your habits, bad habits. And the next thing is we have to drink coffee less because the coffee will make your teeth look yellowish. Or after drinking coffee, go and brush your teeth. So that will gonna help you keeping your teeth whiter. And the last tip, the final tip is eat natural teeth helpers. Some foods are actually help you to keep your teeth whiten. So eat like apple, carrots. They are like fruits and veggies brushes to keep your teeth whiten. They have the vitamin C and it will gonna help you to keep your teeth whiten, and it will produce more saliva, and this will gonna help you to keep your teeth whiten. So eat natural foods, healthy foods. So these are my 5 tips about how to keep your teeth whiten. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna upload every video for 3 to 4 days, and this channel is all about lifestyle and the life. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.